In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show formatting options in a Reddit comment. This is a really simple but useful trick that can make your comments look cleaner, clearer, and more professional. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Reddit in your browser or in the official app and browse until you find a post you want to engage with. This could be anything: a question you want to answer, a discussion you want to join, or a funny post you just have to comment on. The key point is that you need to have a post open before you can access the comment tools. Once you've selected a post, scroll down until you see the comment section. Under the post, you'll usually see a box that either says add a comment or something similar, depending on whether you're using desktop or mobile. Go ahead and click inside that comment box. As soon as you click, the comment editor will become active, which is what allows Reddit to show you more options. Now, to access the formatting options, look for the AA icon near or above the comment box. On desktop, this is usually found in the toolbar that appears once you click into the comment field. On mobile, it might be just above the keyboard or along the top of the comment area. When you see the AA, that's your formatting button. Click on the AA icon. This will expand or reveal the formatting toolbar. Here, you'll see options to style your text, like making it bold or italic, creating lists, adding links, or even including code blocks and quotes, depending on the version of Reddit you're using. These tools help your comments stand out and make them easier to read, especially in longer discussions. If you don't see the AA right away, make sure you've actually clicked in the comment box and try scrolling slightly, as some layouts hide the toolbar until you interact with the text field. Also, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account, because guests or logged out users may not see the full commenting interface. Once your formatting options are visible, you can start typing your comment and apply any styling you need using the toolbar. When you're done, just post your comment as usual